a very good morning, सुबह behind me. As it's Monday, 30th September, end of the month. यो महिना nothing interesting happened except I traveled to Damauli, हैन. So nothing interesting happened. I didn't even read the book. I mean, like I started a book but didn't finish it. I'm sorry. So in order to make this month interesting, I plan to do two interesting things. Among which one was vlogging, another one was hiking to some place alone. So it's the end of the month and I'm planning to hike Manung Dada, which is second tallest hill of the Tanahun, I guess. And it's the most gorgeous hill because the view up is totally beautiful, I know. So अब चाहिँ म के गर्छु भने the hike takes about like 3 to 4 hours and I'll be hiking alone. And before that I'll be packing some of the things. I wouldn't say एकदम important essentials for hiking, I know, but these are my essentials for hiking. So let's go ahead and pack the things. Okay, so these are the things which I'm going to take. Planner from the store because I carry it everywhere. Books because I need pictures. This is the book I started this month but haven't completed. This is the book I bought from Bundle Books Nepal. Mero kukrale hi bhaneko cha every time. And this is camera stand. Hello. And this is camera stand, water bottle for this on your purse. And so, but these are second essential things. These are secondary things. These are the primary things. Right? So why? Of course. And fruity because batamati khala and biscuits because I'm more like a biscuit person, I guess. Right? And this basically some chocolates like Bravo and everything, and Mentos because Dimaki Batti Chalai and Happy Dent. That's it to balloon. And camera charger. No, I guess I don't need camera charger. And some chocolates. So this is what I have packed. And let's go now. So we are done. Now we can go. Okay, I'm gonna go. Let's go. So that is the hill actually. That is the Manung Dada. Kuirole sabai chopeko cha हैन आधी भन्दा बढी part. But let's start our journey. So 5 minutes from home and all you can see is jungle or something like that. But यहाँबाट हेर्दा चाहिँ दुई तीनटा डाँडा जस्तो देखिन्छ हैन, but it's all एउटै डाँडा हो. So let's see. So it's 8 AM right now. म अलिकति मात्र चढेछु हैन. It's 8 AM right now. The view backside is Damauli Bazaar हैन. I have only been the जुन ठाउँमा चढ्छ नि त्यो ठाउँबाट 1 मिनेट मात्र भएको छ. So let's see. Okay, 10 minutes into it and I am restless. Oh my god. Okay, so my action rest garchu. There's no one, like literally no one. It's me alone. Okay. I'm so fucking tired. So jali na jali cha. You can, like, I don't know if you can see the sweat, but my jacket is already wet. Like this. I need water. Oh my god. Yes, I need this. Okay. I hope it's focused and everything. So rest is complete. बाटो बिर्सिन्छु जस्तो लागेको थियो हैन, but I guess I remember the way after all. Let's go. Hope I don't fall anywhere because the road. Oh my god, fuck. Shit. That was just a dog. Come on. So a dog just scared the fuck out of me. It's the door like, I thought it was something dangerous, something wild. Thank God it wasn't anything. Hope for the better. 25% of the way, I guess. I hope it's 25% boy hola, you know. I mean, I almost feel like I cannot. I want to give up. God forgive man lagisakyo. It is so tough. God forgive man lagisakyo, but I cannot stop thinking about what is in the tower bhanera, like shit. Mathi in the tower, it's so beautiful, हैन यो अहिलेको जस्तो हुस्सु. If it's still there, म त्यहाँ पुगुन्जेलसम्म हैन, it is going to be so beautiful. It feels like walking on the clouds, है. So I can't stop thinking about that. I want to give up, but I can't. I have to do this. Second break. I want to drink the juice. Bag बाट निकालेर but bag राख्नु नि मन छैन. एकछिन. I will just एकछिन यतिको बस्छु नि हिँड्छु. I don't know how far I've come, but the view is like this. You can see nothing except green plants and this way and this husu or quiro fog, whatever you say. Nothing. It's all white. Okay. So it feels like I'm near to the top right now. I don't know. It only feels because I'm so tired. एकदम थकिरहेको भएर त्यस्तो फिल भएको नि हुन सक्छ, but I don't know because you can see nothing. केही देखेको त छैन, so I don't know how near I am to the top. जे भए नि I'm enjoying this. Okay. So I'm having Mentos. Let's rest here. This is probably third time I बसेको. Okay. See you at the top. This is so shocking. When I said I feel like I'm near to the top, I thought I was just feeling it. But last time out, it took me like nearly 2-3 hours. And today I am here with 1 hour and 45 minutes. Like, oh my god, can you believe it? I'm seeing the top actually. Let me walk you there. I could not believe when I saw this chautara. There is this chautara at this top. And first I was like, what? Wait, I made it to the top finally. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. It only took me about one and namaste full. This full does namaste when you click it. Okay. So I cannot believe this. Oh my god, I've made it to the top within 1 hour and 45 minutes. Alone. Plan success. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Oh my god, my heart. It fucking pains. Okay, I'm gonna rest for a while. I made it to the top. Finally. So not so that I forgot actually there's a big tree. So I'm so thankful and proud of doing this. Did it. Finally. There's nobody, only me. Did it, thank you. I did this, I did the vlog. Proud of myself. I need to thank Lifeless's Food for pushing me to do this vlog. You have to see this Usu coming through me. Once in Kampu Panda got the scene, the turtle, where his soul gets free. My soul is about to get free here. Like look at the sky, look at everything. So beautiful. Did I show you this? Did I show you this? Did I show you this? So yeah, made it to the top, did everything. Khasa khaegi gare gare haina. I don't have much charge on my camera. There's like ekdam low battery cha. I won't be vlogging much down the hill. So I will directly inform you घर पुगेपछि मैले घरमा हजुरआमालाई मासु र भात पकाएर राख्नु भनेको छु. So I'll be returning अब छिटै. So this is it. I did it. यो गर्न पनि I did procrastinate for 3 days. Saturday गर्छु भनेको I finally did it and I'm so proud of it. So proud of it. Happy of it. Thank you. So we did it. I mean, like I did it. So I 8 बजे हिँडेको अब it's nearly 12 हैन अनि it's like 4 hours hike भइहाल्यो. I'm near to the end. म तल आइसके. I didn't much vlog on the way because it wasn't possible. म 2-3 ठाउँमा हराए पनि I didn't know the way. But we are like at the end and it was a good time. I'm proud I did it. So yeah, finished, mission accomplished. So yeah, September. So I just came home and so I haven't done anything much. मेरो 4 घण्टाको hike सक्यो. अब I'm gonna rest अनि त्यसपछि I will have my lunch. खाना खान्छु मासु र भात. अनि त्यसपछि I will rest. So yeah, done, finished. Thank you for watching. You can like the video, subscribe my channel, and you can leave some comments, feedbacks, or whatever you want. So thank you for watching. Bye. Have a good day.